Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to start building some hay forks for the feedlot we haul our high moisture corn down to. So I'm going to start building now out of this 4x4 tubing. Bring you guys along for the process. Okay, so I got all the tubing cut out that we're going to need. Now I get to mark out all the points for the forks to go in, and then I'll plasma them out and we'll get the frame welded up and then put the forks in last so we can make sure they're all level. So now I get to start measuring and see how far I need to space the 5 forks apart. Okay, so I got all the holes marked out for the inserts for the forks. We'll plasma this side, then I'll roll it over and measure it out again. Plasma those out, make sure they fit, and then we'll get the frame all tacked together and squared up and welded. I got to measure for the quick attach pieces on the loader so I can see how far they can be spaced. And then once those are in, I can weld the rest of it up and we can put the forks in, level them, and paint it black, and she'll be done. Okay, so while I'm building these forks, Tristan and Trav are starting to service the yellow truck. And Tristan right now is tearing apart the dash, trying to find an air leak from our trailer supply button. So he's having a lot of fun tearing the dash apart. It's not fun messing with these dashes. So we're gonna get the yellow truck all serviced up so we can get ready to start hauling wheat next month. And then this will be out of the way in service for the year and we can start pulling the tractors in. Okay, so we found our air leak in the truck. It's the dump valves. But to get it out, we had to disconnect a whole bunch of wiring from the panel. Take the AC control, blower motor controls out, and disconnect them. They don't give you a lot of room in these trucks to get it tore apart. Trav went and got us a new valve. We'll switch all the quick connect fittings over, get it put back in, and then hopefully that fixes the leak on the truck.
You would be the guy. No. Yep. We shan't question y'all. Do the heavy out.
I used that bigger muscle, it still works.
How heavy is that?
Oh, I don't know. Probably
It's not 50 pounds.
huh?
It's not 50 pounds.
Probably about 35, 40.
Because I usually struggle pretty good at 50. It's pretty close.
All right, so I've been welding on the forks. Tristan has got this put back together. Got the new whole valves put in and comes new ends on it. He fixed the heater switch. It had some melted wires on it. Got all back together. Once we get it filled with oil, we can start it and make sure it's not leaking anymore.
This is for me and Tristan. For Nevin to add to his video. He snuck out, so we're gonna hurry and put this in. Our tractor's gone. We don't know what to do with ourselves, and it's cold outside. So we just want to sit in here and do nothing. Sit by the heater. Got both heaters going. Nothing to do. We got a list of things to do.
Nothing we want to
But
do.
nothing we want to do.
I'm gonna sit here wishing something shows
Oh,
up in the shop.
somebody's coming. We gotta go.
So I got all the forks tacked in there. I didn't record it. It's a lot of measuring, trying to get them straight, little die grinding to get them level. But I think I got them pretty dang good. Got them measured that way, and then got them squared up this way. So now all I gotta do is take the forks out. We'll get this welded up. I got the measurements for the quick attach, so I can get those put in and welded up, and we can get this painted today and go deliver it. Okay, forks are all done. I got it painted up today. I painted it while I was hauling corn. Turned out pretty sharp. Now we just gotta wait for the paint to dry. We'll haul it down to them and make sure I got the hook mounts on the right spot so it hooks up. So it's a little different video than we've been doing with the Case tractor. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.